Sukhino Bhavantu, beautiful souls. Welcome to Divine Energy with Lakshmi. Have you ever looked at other people's lives and quietly wonder, am I doing enough? Am I good enough? Maybe someone seems more successful, more confident, more talent, or further ahead in life. Did you wake up with 10 different things already running through your mind? Calls to make, work to finish, family responsibilities, decisions, money, health, things you forgot yesterday, and things you need to do tomorrow. Sometimes the problem is not that we have too much to do. We are trying to carry everything in our mind at the same time. For the next 30 minutes, you don't have to figure everything out. Let's empty the mental load, calm the mind, and come back to one thing at a time. Let's begin with love. For any reason, if you cannot laugh loud, laugh without sound. Take a sip of water. Now let's do 3 random gratitude for. Thank you, universe, for giving me. Thank you, universe, for. Thank you, universe, for giving me. Now, let's take a deep breath. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale through your mouth for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Let's repeat. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Relax. Take your left hand with right hand, tap and repeat after me. I take 100% responsibility even though my mind feels overloaded with so many things. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. In spite of that, I love myself exactly the way I am right now. I take 100% responsibility even though I am thinking about everything I need to do, everything I have not done, and everything that might happen. I give myself permission to slow down. In spite of that, I love myself exactly the way I am right now. I take 100% responsibility even though part of me believes I need to solve everything right now. I choose to take one peaceful step at a time. In spite of that, I love myself exactly the way I am right now. I take this moment, release all the blocks which I created knowingly, unknowingly, consciously or subconsciously, positive or negative. There is so much on my mind, so many things to remember, so many things to finish, so many decisions to make. My mind feels overloaded. I do not need to solve everything right now. I am releasing this mental pressure in health, relationships, career, and financially, and created blocks from past lives till now. From this point onwards, one thing at a time is enough to clean those blocks which no longer needed, because in energy level we are all one. All emotions are lies. I can create new emotion. Situations may be different. The emotions are same. Until I release and learn from that lesson, situations keep on changing, but the emotion I am facing with the same. How do I want to handle each and every situation? It's an experience. The moment I'm aware of this present moment, my mind is becoming quieter. I choose what deserves my attention. I can handle one thing at a time. I release what I cannot control. I have clarity. I trust myself to prioritize. I move through today calmly and confidently. My mind is clear, focused, peaceful, and present. The one step consistently, daily, releasing those thoughts created in my mind manifest in this body. Body is limited. The mind is infinite. From this point, I connect to the universe, infinite energy. Then this body, limited opportunities to release. The more I release in my mind, the more I experience in this body. Peace, calm, relaxed, letting go all those blocks created unknowingly in body, mind, and soul level. The more I repeat what I would like to experience in the time I get up till the time I go to sleep. What I repeat more in my mind, that is what I attract. The more I am aware of my thoughts, what I am repeating reflects in my health, relationships, career, and financially. I'm sorry for asking my mind to carry everything at once. Please forgive me for creating pressure by believing everything must be done immediately. Thank you for working so hard for me every day. I love you. You are allowed to slow down. We will handle together one thing at a time today. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Relax. Sit in a comfortable position for next 10 minutes. Close your eyes. You can sit on the chair, on the floor. You can take support. Make sure your back is straight. Close your eyes. Relax your face. Relax your head. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders and hands. Relax your chest. Relax your waist. Relax your thighs. Relax your knees. Relax your calves. Relax your feet. Relax each and every cell in this body. Be aware of your natural breath. The more you are aware of your natural breath, the more and more, the lesser and lesser the thoughts becomes. More and more you connect to the universe within you, inside you. Those who want to continue in this state, they can continue as long as you want. Those who want to come out of this state, be aware of your surroundings, aware of your body. Rub your palms together. Place it on your eyes, on your face, on your body. Slowly open your eyes. In one word, how you felt, and write it in your, take a book and write it down. Now ask yourself again, from 1 to 10, how mentally overloaded do you feel now? Notice the difference. And before you start your day, do not create a huge list in your mind. Ask yourself just one question. What is the one most important thing I need to do today? Choose it. Do that first. Then choose the next. One thing at a time. You do not need to carry your entire day in this moment. May your mind be clear. May your heart be peaceful. May your action be focused. May your day feel lighter and more joyful. Sukhino Bhavantu.